Yo, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Babyliss replica. But before I unbox this Babyliss replica, please stay away from this and this tea outliner from AliExpress. See that? It's not sharp at all. So don't waste your money on this one. Okay. And I'm gonna make just an unboxing of this hair trimmer. And next time I'm gonna go to barber shop and try it out. So before then, where is it? And this GTX blade can fit on this one, in case if maybe you want to buy. So I'm gonna leave a link on the description below if you want to buy the trimmer. This is the blade that comes with it, and the cutter blade is a ceramic blade, which is good. So, and this GTX blade or T outliner will fit this hair trimmer. So this is it. This is the manual. This is the trimmer. So I was changing the blade to my original and this GTX blade. So side. Inside you got charging cable, 4 guide combs, see that, and a little brush. This is the trimmer, charging port, LCD display, so now let's make a sound check. Okay, I don't have hair anymore. So, and where I bought it, they never write any specs about this hair trimmer, so I don't know. $6,000 RPM. This is the original blade. This is the original blade. It's very quiet. And the RPM of the original blade. Right.